Good day, everyone. Once again, welcome back to our channel. We love hot stuff. I would like to thank each and every single one of you that subscribe to the channel. All the new subscribers, I do appreciate it so much. You will not believe what a difference you make. So please subscribe, watch my videos, like my videos, share my videos. It's the only way that my channel can grow. And I have to say it's growing nicely, and I'm very proud of how this channel is growing. I had a guy called Massimo, who contacted me on Facebook, and he asked me to try his liqueur. There you go. There you can see the bottle. Actually, looks very nice. At the top here, it says Spiriti Famosi. I think it's Italian. Yeah, Italian classic with an African twist. This is a Chilean chocolate liqueur, and he's got other flavors as well. He's got the orange chocolate, and he's also trying the mint chocolate liqueur. But he's got other flavors as well, and I will put the link of his website in the description, so you guys are more than welcome to go and have a look at it and order from him. Very nice guy. He's from Cape Town, Hout Bay, Johnny Expert World there in Hout Bay. And yeah, please support him and try his liqueur. This bottle is still sealed, so I'm going to try this bottle now, and I'm going to see how this chili liqueur tastes. Chocolate chili liqueur. So let's see. It looks very nice. It looks like very good quality. I actually like this bottle, and it's got it in, I think, 200 ml and 500 ml. But all the details will be on his website, and all his flavors will be there all on his website. So yeah, let's have a look on taste his chili liqueur. And ooh, this smells very, 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 very nice. Wow. This is more like a chocolate. Yeah, more like a chocolate syrup. Chocolate. You're gonna taste. You know it, man. Do you guys remember some time ago you bought that dark chocolate, or that chocolate with the wine and the liqueurs inside? It tastes exactly the same. And it smells nice. You can smell the alcohol. I'm not sure what the alcohol content is. It doesn't say. There's not much info on the bottle itself, but I'm sure it will be all on his website. I just have a half a one, a half a tot, which is actually one tot. But it's very thick, and it smells nice. It doesn't smell like very strong alcohol content, but yeah, let's try him. Oh wow, it's got a very nice bite. Not bad at all. I can feel the heat, but it's a very it's not very hot. It's a very mild bite, but yeah, I'm telling you, I can feel the bite. Come, try it. My daughter, Lieshin. It's not hot. I'm gonna hold you like a quarter cup. Come stand here and try it. Stand here. It's not a lot. It's not hot. It's not hot. A little bit of a bite. But the chocolate is, you taste the chocolate. It's more like a, I'm not sure, a dark chocolate taste. What do you think? For you, it will be hot, yeah. But it's not like Carolina Reaper hot. I'm not sure what chilies he's using, but it's not Reaper chilies, definitely not. I would say it's like maybe habaneros or something in that range. It is not extremely hot. It's like, I would say it. Let's do a whole top glass. I would say it will be at the habanero meat. And I've got this here. Also, John Alderbrough Farms, thank you so much. Just so by the way, John Alderbrough Farms is now the biggest supplier of super hot chilies in South Africa. The biggest farm, and it's on Google. They are now the biggest supplier of super hot chilies in South Africa. Very proud of you to have me, or to have you here, John. Extremely nice stuff that you've got. Sorry, not extremely, but your product is very nice. Everything is coming from John Alderbrough Farms. I'm telling you, the best reapers, the best powders, the best product, and the best customer service. Really, they are always out to help people. And I just love you, John. Charlene, thank you so much. But I'm gonna try a bit of reaper powder on here, and not a lot, but let me just show you guys there. Can you see the illusion? And see if maybe this reaper powder can just gooi a little bit of a scoop. Cheers. It's the chocolate is it's stunning. But I think the chocolate kills the burn a little bit. It is not hot. It is hot. It's not crazy hot. It's not reaper hot or that type of heat. I enjoy it. I will definitely order me more of this. I will leave the link of his website in the description. You guys can go and have a look at it. And yeah, support him. And thank you so much for sending me this bottle. Straight from Hout Bay, Cape Town. I've got to say, it's got a little bit of bite, but now it can be the reaper powders as well. But it's a lovely, lovely bite. It's all over my mouth. It's not one side here and here. It's like all over my mouth, my tongue, my lips, everything. It's a little tingle, nothing major. I enjoy it. I give this a 9 out of 10, 10 out of 10. Beautiful. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my videos, share my videos, help me making this channel grow. I do appreciate each and every single one of you. You guys must have a lovely day, lovely evening, and God bless.